you will be able to define customer-product gap. Also, you will be able to explain the procedures for identifying customer-product gap. Yesterday I went to the shop. I wanted something that I can use to stick charts on the wall. So I got this solar tape. But I tried to use it. But it was not good. It was not sticking on the walls. So I was not satisfied with the service that was provided by this product. Are you getting? So I was not satisfied. So I pass the index cards. Pass them. Just pick one. So what comes into your mind when you hear of the word or customer product gap? What comes into your mind? So because you have the index cards, at the back of your index card is the word customer product gap. The term customer product gap. So read the explanation that is written on the other side of the index card. Read the explanation. So if you think you have the correct meaning of the word customer product gap, you come this side. If you think your answer, your explanation is correct, come this side. And if you think the definition that you have in the index card is wrong, is not the correct definition of customer product gap, you come this side quickly. If you think you have the right answer, this side. If you think you have the wrong answer, this side. So quickly. Okay, those who think they have the correct answer. So you are in this row. So I want you guys to stand up. Just stand up. Yeah, read for us the meaning of customer product gap.
This is the actual between the actual service of the advanced product and the expected service for that particular product.
Good. Now you can sit. Read. What you have?
It is when the product is the usual place of the products.
Okay. So they have the correct explanation of customer product gap. This is the deviation between the actual service provided by the product and the service, the expected service that is provided. I gave you an example of the solar tape. I was expecting to use it. I was expecting to use the solar tape to stick charts on the wall, but then I found it was not sticking the charts on the wall. So there is a difference between the actual service the solar tape is giving me and what I was expecting the solar tape to give me. So the difference is the what? The customer product what? Gap. Have you understood? Any question? No question? So now I want us to explain the procedures for identifying customer product gap. So you will count one. Sorry, one. One.
One.
Maybe one. Two. Okay, on number one. Number one. So number one. Number ones. Okay, I want you to form your group here. Number ones. Number twos. Number twos. Yeah, you can form your group there. Then number threes. You can form your group here. Number four. No, number four. You can join this group. Then number two. Then you can form in that group, I want you to choose one person to be the owner of that group, the secretary who is going to put down or to write the poems. Are you getting? So choose one person to be the secretary. So choose one person to be your secretary so that you note down what you are going to discuss. And the secretary, because he is the owner of that group, you have a control of that. You have a control over the group. So make sure you assign every person a duty to speak. They should listen to you. Are you getting? And as they are speaking, make sure you record. Are you getting? So we have 5 minutes to do that. 5 to 10 minutes. Start the discussion quickly, and remember that I'm counting on. So explain the procedures for identifying customer product gaps. Okay, number one is where are you? Number one. Number one. Number one. Who are we? Number one. So you are the number one. Number two. Yeah, these are the number threes. So now what I want you to do, all the members from group one, when you leave the owner of that house there, they move to group two, they see what they have discussed. Then when you go there to the next group, you listen to the secretary of that group. You have no authority to talk. You listen to what they have discussed. They teach you what they have. So make sure you rotate to all groups. After there, not make sure you go to the other group. So the secretary, you have the responsibility of explaining what you have discussed to those one. So you get it. So this group here, switch group here, group here. So those are from that group. Those members of this group are from group one. Those from group two, you can come here. So the secretary now, you explain to them what you have discussed. The rest of the members just listen. You get it? Then you note down what they have, that you don't have them. I believe you're through. So now we are going to switch. The secretary to remain there. The rest of the members to switch to go to the other group until you get back to your own group. Faster. So you listen to what the secretary will tell you. And you put down the things that
yule customer ataview zile product, angalie labda kutakuwa kama kuna tatizo ama imechange atamwambia mwenye bank. Ule mwenye bank akimwambia atajua kama hii product iko na tatizo, yeye anaangalia tuseme ile bank huwa anainua ya change
then that means the gap exists.
Okay, protect until you get back to your original group. Move to your original group. I believe you have discussed well in your various groups. So the secretary for group 1, share with us what you have, the procedures. Okay, the first procedure,
Comparison of current target states and actual achievements.
comparison.
Of current target states and actual achievements.
Step 1,
Actual achievements.
actual achievements.
Yeah.
Okay, what have you understood by that? Comparison of actual state and actual achievements. Yes, someone from the group, yes? Current, comparison of the current.
Yeah, current target state.
Current,
Target state.
okay, explain to us the meaning of that procedure.
Comparison to the current target states and actual achievements. So this implies that the bank was set a target. The bank has set a target for a specific product to meet the customer needs. So the customer needs were supposed to serve the customer at a specific point. But when the customer came in contact with their services, the way they use it was different. So here the bank was now comparing what they currently targeted for the goods to serve the customer needs and how it actually affected the customer. So they look at the difference.
Okay, I like his explanation. Let's give him one clap. A good clap. Good. I like the way he's explaining his own. So the organization will try to compare the actual or the current state of the product and the actual service that is provided by that service. Like the example I gave you of the solar isn't. I believe you have understood. So the organization itself, it will try to compare. Is the service provided by this product meeting the expectations of the customer? not. So group number 2, the procedure number 2. The secretary give us the second part.
Conducting product reviews.
Sorry?
Conducting product reviews.
Conduct review. Yes. Explain your points.
The customer review of the last product which is linked to bank to have knowledge that the product has approved and help the bank to address such a job.
Come up again.
So it's like the customer reviews the product maybe to see if it's has a problem or something, like your example of the symmetry. You found out that it does not stick well. So when you say that problem, then you say the product maybe it's bad, so you not play the product again. So something like that, you review.
Okay. Thank you for that. After my signal, let's give him one clap. And let his explanation. He has understood. So you conduct a product review by the customer. So the customer now look at the product. Is that product satisfying his expectations or not? So after using the product, the customer now can rate the provider or the organization that is providing those services. For example, the organization that offers, for example, Kaluma pens, and the ones which offers the big pens, isn't? I can use the two different pens and I'm able to rate the organization that provides big and the organization that provides what? Kaluma. Through using the product. So I can rate the product. That's point number 2. So the other procedure, group number 3. Continuous product evaluation. Continuous product evaluation, yes. What does it mean? Yes, we are just reading, but explain to us what you have understood. What does it mean by continuous product evaluation?
As in, let's say, for example, students.
Yes.
They are being evaluated every day and to see the real changes. Because some evaluation will not look like this. Evaluation will not
Okay, good. Let's appreciate her with one clap. Okay, the company or the organization conducts a continuous product evaluation. It keeps on evaluating. After the customers have used the product, now they sit down and try to evaluate. Did this product meet the needs of the customer or not? The customer may not be able to know if the organization is conducting a continuous evaluation. Also, when you look at the demand of that product, if many people are willing or are willing to purchase more of that product, then you are able to tell. It means you are able to tell the demand is higher. So if the demand is higher, it means that product being provided meets the expectations of the customer. Are you getting? Yeah. Any question? Any question? Any question from what you have discussed? No question? Okay. Now, we have come almost towards the end of our session. So now, I have this board. And on the walls of this board, there are some questions. So I'll throw this ball to you. So where your right hand touches, you will answer that question. Are you getting? So we start, and start, then start. Yeah, look at me. Okay? Read the question and answer. Read it loudly.
Getting above loan is a customer need. True or false?
Answer it. True. A bank loan is a customer need. Take a look at me. Yes?
Getting a bank loan is a customer need.
So you got the same question? True or false? True. It was here. It's right over here.
The customer product gap. What is customer product gap?
Answer it.
Customer product gap is the deviation between the current target state and the actual achievement of the product.
Is he correct? Is he correct, class? Yes? Is he correct? Yeah, your hand was here. Stop. You can somewhere else.
Getting a bank loan is a customer need. True or false?
True. Right to someone else.
Getting a bank.
Your fingers touch somewhere else. Your fingers touch somewhere else. Okay, your assignment. You are going to describe 3 methods of identifying customer product gap. Describe 3 methods of identifying customer product